everybody, it's Emily here, and today is day 114 of the Odin project. I'm going to give a quick update on my progress with the JavaScript course. So I'm currently 71% of the way through the JavaScript course. Since my last vlog, I have been working through the React.js section, and I completed the lessons on state and props and handling inputs and rendering lists. Now in this handling inputs lesson, we actually do a mini project where we create a task app where you can input a task such as water the plants, and then it will render a list on the web page showing all of the tasks that you input. Now here is my code for the mini project. I have an app component, which is what renders the form and handles any changes to the input field and handles the submit event when the user clicks the submit button. It updates the state and then passes that information to my overview component, which is what renders the bulleted list. Now, after completing this project, we are instructed to do a couple challenges, such as adding a delete button for each task and adding an edit button for each task. Now, when I was trying to do this, I actually had a pretty hard time. I feel like I had a bird's eye view of React, but there were still a lot of dots that I hadn't been able to connect yet. So I decided to explore one of the additional resources recommended by the Odin project, which is a React course on Scrimba. And if you haven't heard of Scrimba, it's a website that offers interactive courses and tutorials. And what makes them unique is that they have an environment where you can interact with the code that the instructor is using as they are working through the course content. So at any point during the course, I can pause what the instructor is saying and I can manipulate any of the code that they're using as part of the demonstration. And there are a lot of opportunities for interaction throughout the course. So the beginning part of this course was a review of a lot of what I already read about React. However, the way that they described it and the level of detail used helped me to have a much deeper grasp of what was going on, of why and how we are using React. So I've really appreciated this resource so far. It's really helped. And I'm actually just getting to the point where we are covering props, and then we're going to cover state next. I'm going to keep going with this resource until I can review those. And then once I feel more comfortable with state and props, I am going to try again to implement these delete and edit buttons for that mini project, and then I'm going to be moving on to my CV app. So that is all that I have for today. So thank you so much for tuning in. If you're completing the Odin project right now, I'd love for you to pop a comment below, say hi. Every single time I tried saying pop a comment, I said pop a component. So you can tell I've been doing a lot of React. If you enjoy these updates, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe if you'd like to follow along on our web dev journey. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you next time.